You remember they wrapped that bird up and gave it to the blind? You seen it? They wrapped the bird up and gave it to the blind boy.
Get up.
Up to the room.
You see it?
Jewelry wear. Most. With the breaking. I'm sure we'll just make that. It's nasty.
Yeah. See his tail?
That looks like a wing.
It's
not wow. I don't like wow. I like just some little dainty stuff.
He'll wake up in a minute.
So what you want to capture when you get up?
Yeah, I'm taking a video.
What you gonna do if he never gets up?
He will.
He needs to see people.
Squeeze, squeeze.
Go out there and save his life, Andrea.
Shoot. This thing will hurt you.
I know, look at his beak. Perfect. Put your eye out.
My mom has bird feeders all over her house, so I see them knocking themselves out all the time.
Do they normally stay out this long?
It depends on how hard they smack themselves.
Well, he snapped himself twice. I heard 2 or 3 little taps before he said, "Oh." His eyes look like he's...
And his eyes are closed.
Oh, are they? I thought I saw him open up.
His eyes are closed.
You know what? That was pretty good. Well, she said he's
Oh, yeah, he's moving.
See him taking his deep breath.
He's coming back to life.
His eyes are blinking. I told you.
Is it getting up?
His eyes are blinking. He's waking up. He's like, holy crap, what just happened to me? I saw the bright lights of heaven.
Yeah. She's videoing. They're funny.
He's
Breathing.
because she's videoing a bird just laying there. He's not doing any tricks or nothing.
You heard him.
Oh, starting to rain.
But I can't, I couldn't tell if anybody's in the train.
So the door closed?
There's,
Peek over his eyes again.
So Mr. Rickson here. I'm telling you, this is not gone.
There he goes. He's up. He's up. Look. He says, I don't want to fly just yet. I have a headache.
The bird hit you one.
Aww. He's still trying. He's still a little woozy.
What happened?
It's 3 ceiling and 5.
I had to go back in there.
Sandy, come look.
She got some papers,
She printed.
and she don't have her cell phone with her today. Amy has papers.
Sandy, come look.
He knocked himself out.
He knocked himself out.
And we thought he was dead.
He just woke up.
Just woke up and kept off. Just
Baby hummingbird.
On the family feud the other day, they said, what's a bird that will attack you? That you have to fight from or something like that. And the lady said a hummingbird.
Yep, they will.
What a hummingbird gonna do to you?
They say hummingbirds will fight you.
Well, that was wrong.
Are you filming too? Well, I was, but now I'm just trying to put the picture on.
yeah. I left it Mr. Lisa. And then I was going to Mr. Lisa.
Never gonna fly away. Fly away.
Your phone is ringing. That was showing. That was showing this time.
Here. And this wrong too.
I'll have a great day tomorrow.
Oh, even better than on Sunday
Today is Monday.
and Monday.
Not me, 'cause I have to keep one of my kids.
I ain't got to take my husband on Monday.
Nobody
I'll fly
knows.
away.
I don't know what they
with
were.
her dentist appointment at 10 o'clock. There's no point in me sitting here still for an hour and a half. My 9-year-old is on it. I took him to the dentist the other day. And, her lip was numb and swollen and she bit. And they just didn't stick it. So I was visiting them, so I went and saw a plastic surgeon.
Okay. I thought you were here.
Make sure she didn't have to have any kind of surgery.
I've never seen one sit that long and just sit.
But it's maybe the surgeon I had took out my license to make it look like that now. It's rain on the poor bird. Oh, poor fella.
Is the neck moving or is it just me standing there?
I think he's breathing.
Yeah, that's him breathing.
Well, I guess he's gonna leave like the house. Not out of the woods yet. That's really quick. I don't wanna go with this one now.
We need you to fly away, little man.
At least feeling cool.